Hey guys, welcome back to the second episode of
What's Cooking, Leno?
Today we have a special episode, wet ass pancakes with some bacon. Before we get started, I just want to say from now on with this video, from now on there will be a giveaway every single video. I cannot stress this enough. It's going to be small giveaways, but of course, if my audience gets bigger, it's going to be bigger giveaways. So for now, I could only afford like 10, 15, even $20 Starbucks gift card, Target, your favorite adult store, I don't give a fuck. All you have to do is comment down below on the video on what recipe I should do next. And if I pick your comments, you will be declared the winner, okay? That's all you have to do, and also give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. Today's ingredients are, of course, pancake mix, bacon, powdered sugar, whipped cream, almond milk, banana, dark chocolate chips, sugar-free syrup, and egg. Crazy, because coming to think of it, estoy muy pinche pic. Hold on. Does anybody like their pancakes wet? Like, that's kind of weird to think about it, but I mean, I do, because when I was 12 or 13, somewhere around there, I was trying to make some for myself, and they were wet inside. And back then I was like, damn, that's not how it's supposed to be, but I ended up enjoying them. So, this is where we're at today. We're making wet-ass pancakes. Wet in the middle with some banana, some dark chocolate chips. It's gonna be good. Just open this shit up. Reyes. Cool. Put our motherfucking shit in here. This is instant mix, but I think that's a lot. No, actually, a little bit more. But my mom says to add an egg on it, so my mom, she has the advice. I'm gonna follow her rules. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, let's whip it up. Damn it, man. This shit's fucking hard, bro. Being a producer and a cook used to be more loose. Blues Clues. Get it there. If it's too loose, we'll of course add more powder. And then we end up making 70,000 pancakes for the whole neighborhood. Now this is the consistency that I want right here. Like that. You know what? Let's cut to Bad Bunny break.
Ay, ay, los pongo a bailar la pelúa. El que no baile que lo despelucan. Hijo de puta no me cuquen. Lean los números pa' que se eduquen. Yo no hago canciones, hago himnos pa' que no caduquen. En este género yo fui un Hadouken. Ey, y se extinguieron como los dinosaurs. Antes que me apague se apaga el sol.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. Still whipping. Alright. Let's get to the griddle. It's gonna be very nice, man. Boom, 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 boom. Bananas. Just 3. Boom. Bam. Fuck yeah. She's cooking already. Give it a little flip on the bacon. Kabam. Pancake is being nice to us. Shit. Okay. Give me a sec. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, we don't want it too cooked, remember. I think that'll do it. 1, 2. Yes. That was chaos. Anyways, let's fucking build. Boom, plate. Boom. Bacon. Spread some on the bacon too. Un pinche whipped cremazo. Okay, now that's going to be wet. Oh. Kind of feels good to sit down because that was a shitty experience. The smoke alarm went out and I panicked like in Michael Scott, The Office episode. Anyway, shut the fuck up. We're going to try the WAP wet ass pancakes with bacon. Let's see. Okay. Oh. It's not as wet as I wanted it to be, but it's still pretty damn wet. Oh, actually, yeah, it is. Look, just a little bit. Yes or no? I'm lying to you, huh? It's not that wet. That's good. It's not as wet as I wanted it to be, but it is good. I would rate it a, from 1 to 10, like a 7.5. The bacon made a difference, the chocolate chips, the banana, the shitty ass syrup. You like that shit, Papi?
Así me gusta, papi.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, well, thank you for watching today's shitty episode. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Remember to comment on my next video. And if I pick your comment, it would be the recipe for the next episode. And follow me on my socials. And